Bees are small, flying insects that are very important for our environment. They play a big role in pollinating flowers, fruits, and vegetables, which means they help plants grow and produce the food we eat. There are many different kinds of bees, but the most common are honeybees. Honeybees live in large groups called colonies or hives. Each hive has one queen bee who lays eggs and many worker bees who do the hard work of gathering nectar and pollen from flowers. Bees are known for making honey, which is a sweet, sticky substance that they use as food. To make honey, bees collect nectar from flowers and store it in their stomachs. When they get back to the hive, they regurgitate the nectar into the honeycomb and fan it with their wings to dry it out. Eventually, the nectar turns into honey, which the bees seal with wax to store for later. Bees are also important for making beeswax, which is a substance they use to build their honeycomb. Beeswax is used in many products like candles, cosmetics, and even some types of food. Although bees are very important, they are facing some challenges. One of the biggest challenges is something called colony collapse disorder, which is when entire bee colonies die off for unknown reasons. Scientists are working hard to figure out what causes this and how to prevent it. You can help bees by planting flowers that they like, such as daisies, sunflowers, and lavender. You can also avoid using pesticides in your garden, as these can be harmful to bees and other beneficial insects. Another important thing to know about bees is that they communicate with each other through a dance. When a worker bee finds a good source of nectar or pollen, she returns to the hive and performs a dance to tell the other bees where it is. This dance is called the waggle dance, and it tells the other bees the direction and distance of the food source. Bees also have a special role in nature as they are a food source for many animals, such as birds and other insects. They are also an important part of the food chain for humans as they help to pollinate many of the crops we eat. However, bees are facing many challenges in today's world. Pesticides, climate change, habitat loss, and disease are just some of the factors that are affecting their populations. Without bees, our environment would suffer greatly and our food supply would be severely impacted. To help bees, there are many things we can do. We can plant bee-friendly flowers in our gardens, support local beekeepers by buying local honey, and reduce our use of pesticides. We can also support organizations that work to protect bees and their habitats. In conclusion, bees are amazing creatures that play a crucial role in our ecosystem. They help pollinate our crops, produce honey and beeswax, and are an important food source for many animals. It is important that we do our part to protect them and their habitats so that they can continue to do their important work for generations to come.